This is a Chinese titanium suppressor, and today we'll try to blow it up. There are two things working against this suppressor. First one is that it's made in China, so it's questionable quality. And the second thing is that it's made from titanium, which despite the common knowledge on internet, it's not actually stronger than steel. Enough talking, let's go shoot it. Oh, and a big shout out to Solarium below. They make quality ammo, they're the sponsor of this channel, and without them, we won't be able to do stupid shit like this. So thank you. Before we start, take a guess. Let me know how many rounds of fast fire do you think this suppressor will still hold on before it blows up, stops working? Write in the comments below. I knew about the Chinese quality, but I didn't expect that it will fail so soon.
Hey, what the?
Ooh. It's actually so hot that it melted here to the ground. There's kind of a rubbery surface. You can see that it's melted. Ah. Very hot, muito caliente. First, I have to say, I love my job. Secondly, this was the round that I unloaded from the gun, and these are 2 left in the magazine, which means that 27 rounds of fast fire in a 2-3 rifle will destroy a Chinese-made titanium monocore suppressor. The body itself is actually unscathed. It's unscathed? Is that the word? Unscathed? Well, the body is fine. What failed is the monocore on its weakest point. This is exactly what I predicted. Chinese-made or not, this would fail anyway. So if we are being honest here, this did not fail because of the lousy Chinese manufacturing. I think it's just, the problem is the design, which may or may not be Chinese. I'm pretty sure that this is a universal design and probably they copied it from someone. Maybe they made it for airsoft, I don't know. But you can see that the wall thickness here, it is very thin. So what essentially happened, this is where you get the muzzle blast, the most of the muzzle blast. And these parts started to heat up and the overpressure was pulling them apart. So essentially they were heating up and they were pulling it apart and kind of broke in this way. I'm pretty certain if this suppressor would be used on a bolt-action rifle or maybe on some less powerful caliber or even on a rifle, it has a longer barrel. It could withstand much more. The lesson here is, do not use titanium monocore suppressors on semi-automatic rifles.
Delete that shit. Anyway.